Are you searching for the best air duct cleaning service but don't know where to begin? Stick around for all our expert advice and tips on how to avoid scams. To begin with, it's important to know that the pricing for air duct cleaning may vary extremely from one company to another, but the quality varies even more. Too many people are falling for scams because they are unaware what to look for. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what questions to ask and make sure you're getting the best value for your money. First of all, you should look for a company that is certified by the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, otherwise known as NADCA. This association helps regulate air duct cleaning companies by setting precise quality standards. To confirm if a company is truly certified, you will need to find an interactive logo on their website, which you can click on to get a live confirmation that they are truly certified. Be aware of companies that use the logo but have no certifications. Now, it's one thing to be NADCA certified, but it's also a good idea to ask about the individual's technician certifications who will be doing the cleaning. At Plus Montreal, we've been serving the Greater Montreal area since 1989, and all of our technicians have multiple certifications to serve you better. Now, let's talk about the equipment used for a condo central air system and how to achieve a thorough cleaning. One of the most essential equipment that every company should be using is called a dust collector. This machine has a suction hose which connects to your main air ducts, creating a large vacuum inside your system. It collects all the dirt and debris that are released during the cleaning process. Be aware of companies that only rely on the use of a vacuum cleaner to do the job. These are not real duct cleaning companies. A vacuum cleaner can be used, but only as a complementary equipment to the dust collector. Now, it's important to note that these equipment have to filter all the dirt and debris before releasing the air back into your home. In this case, whenever a dust collector or even a vacuum cleaner is brought into your home, it's important that you verify that they are equipped with HEPA filters. You also need to verify that the filters are well maintained and that the machines themselves don't have any leakages. All of these verifications are important to make sure that there are no contaminants from previous jobs before you released back into your home. This is especially important considering that some contractors use these machines on job sites where mold or even asbestos is present. But you probably don't know how to make all these verifications. The good news is you don't have to. Any dust collector or even vacuum cleaner brought into your home should have periodically a verification of its filtration system. This verification is called a DOP test. A certificate for this test should be found on the equipment themselves. The second important piece of equipment used is the air compressor, which is crucial as it provides the blasting power needed to agitate the cleaning tools and dislodge the dirt and debris inside your system. The air pressure then pushes the debris towards the suction hose of the dust collector. For condos on upper floors where the compressor hose from the truck cannot reach, a portable electric air compressor is the way to go. It's important to know that there are two types of electric compressors. The first one is 110 volts and the second one is 220 volts. Note that a single 110 volt air compressor should never be used due to its lack of power. Only 220 volt compressors or equivalent will assure a thorough job. Now let's talk about the step-by-step process for a thorough cleaning. The first step is creating an access door and connecting the suction hose to the main air ducts to create a powerful vacuum throughout the entire system. All return and supply grills are carefully removed and cleaned. The air vent openings are then temporarily sealed with a plastic film to ensure maximum suction in the areas to be worked on. Each vent is then unsealed one at a time to allow the insertion of a pneumatic whip. This tool is activated by 150 psi of air, which is supplied by the air compressor and is ran throughout the entire length of the duct with the help of a long flexible rod to ensure maximum coverage for a thorough cleaning. All secondary ducts are covered. Now time for the main ducts. The automatic whipping process is repeated for the main ducts, as it blasts the dirt and debris towards the suction hose of the dust collector. Once again, all of the main ducts are covered. Be aware of companies that simply use an air gun to blow air into the vents, as this does absolutely nothing to clean your ducts and is part of the many scams out there. The next step is the cleaning of the unit, as it plays an important role in your central system. A clean unit not only ensures better air quality, but also a more efficient system. All the components should be thoroughly cleaned. If you have an electric heating element, it is crucial to protect it during the cleaning process to avoid damage to the system. One of the last steps, which is an optional one, is a complete decontamination of your system with a biodegradable product. This process is very beneficial when fungi, such as mold, are suspected to be present in the system. We use 100% natural products which contain no chemicals and which are approved by Health Canada. They are extremely safe even for the most sensitive people. This treatment comes with our 3-year warranty. You can find more information on our website. Once the work is completed, all of the openings are sealed up with a metallic plate combined with a high-quality contour insulator according to the NACA standard. This is to ensure no air leaks. These access doors will be useful for future cleaning. Since the technicians are already on site, it's a good idea to take advantage of savings on other cleaning services, such as dryer vent exhausts to reduce fire hazards, bathroom exhausts, air exchanger, and AC wall unit. So this video should give you a good idea what to look for when shopping around and help you avoid scams. If you have any questions, call us anytime or simply fill out a free online quote on our website or by clicking the link. We're looking forward to serving you one day, and thank you for watching.